Welcome to a video about sample question 2 in the exam. This question relates to unit rates, which is chapter 5, lesson 2 of your textbook, page 189 to page 193. A unit rate shows the ratio of two quantities when they have different kinds of units. So you can have a person who sends 10 text messages in 2 minutes. As you can see, text messages and minutes are different kinds of units. There's no relationship between these two things. So this ratio shows how many text messages the person sends in each minute. If we simplify this ratio, we can have 5 text messages in 1 minute. When we have the denominator as 1, we can call this a unit rate. So every minute, the person sends 5 text messages. It gives you an idea of how quickly a person can do something or what happens. With this information in mind, let's have a look at question 2 of the sample exam. As you can see, question 2 is asking about a machine that works on 2 days, on the first day and the second day. On the first day, it makes 195 boxes in 3 hours, and on the second day, it makes 360 boxes in 8 hours. So the question is asking which one of these is faster, which is the faster rate. So we need to break this question into 2 parts. Let's do that now. Okay, so let's make a line that has the first day and the second day. So unit rates are similar to ratios in that you can present the information as a fraction and then simplify the fraction. It actually works with ratios. So on the first day we have 195 boxes in 3 hours. And then the second day we have 360 boxes in 8 hours. Right, okay, and now we can just simplify these. If you simplify in the first day, we have 3 goes into 195 65 times. So the rate here is 65 boxes in 1 hour. And on the second day here, we have 368. So 8 goes into 360 45 times. So this is 45 boxes in 1 hour. When you compare these two, you can see that 65 boxes in 1 hour is more than 45 boxes in 1 hour. So the first day is faster, which is answer A. Now let's have a look at another question that might come up on the exam. So this time the question is slightly different. We are asking if a man walks 5 kilometers in 2 hours, how far will he walk in 5 hours? So it's a very similar question in some ways, but slightly different in that it adds another step of information. So the first thing we need to realize is that the key information we're looking for is this unit rate first. We need to make this into a unit rate. So we have 5 kilometers, and that's in 2 hours. So when we simplify this to get the unit rate, we see that he walks 2.5 kilometers in 1 hour. Right, that's the first step. Now we have the unit rate. The next thing we need to do is find out how much he walks in 5 hours. So we have 2.5 kilometers in 1 hour, and we need to multiply this. We can use that or like this by 5, and that is equal to 12.5 kilometers in 1 hour. So you might get a question like this in the exam, or you should just know how to work out unit rates and then change the time. This should help you in the exam. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you.